Hey, it's Jackie with Salutio. In this video, I'm going to go over MailChimp, a MailChimp account and setup. So once you've already logged in, you might see this screen. I was clicking here earlier. I'd gone to products and marketing automation, and on that page, I had scrolled all the way to the RSS email screen, clicked on learn more, and it took me here. It does say I'm logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and click on turn on RSS automation. Excuse me. In my login screen, I also could have gone to automation here and go to automations. And here towards the bottom should have been an option to click on share your blog post. Now we're not necessarily posting blogs, but we're specifically focusing on bulletins. So I'm going to use, so now I've gotten to the same screen on two different areas of the site. One has me on customer journeys, the other has me on campaigns. If you look at the tab titles here at the top of the screen, I'm going to start with bulletin, and this is going to be my sample. My audience is going to be Salutio. I'm going to click on begin. Here I'm going to grab the RSS feed that I had gotten from another site. And if you had missed that or don't have time to go back and watch that video, there should be an RSS button next to your on your bulletin page, and it should open to a tab. It's probably bulletin !format equals RSS is probably the URL of the page. That won't work if you just type it in. It actually has to have this RSS feed generator as part of it. So I'm going to go here, and I want to send these every week on Saturday mornings around 4 a.m. So that's New York time, so maybe 5 a.m. Central time. So let the pictures resize. That sounds good. I'm going to click, and my navigation's here across the bottom. I'm going to click on next. And so right now I'm going to send to my entire audience. You can have a segment or a group specific. So I'm going to click on, you can paste your emails here if you want a new group, but I'm going to go ahead and proceed with entire audience. From, and you might call yourself the name of your church. And then this might be the email address that you've set up the account with. I'm going to go ahead and check both of these for the time being. And click on next. Select a template. This is going to be very simple since it's specifically going to email a bulletin URL. But I think I just want to include a picture. Whoop. So I'm going to put just a picture here. And then I'm going to drop my image right there. So I'm going to just use St. Peter's for an example. Is not noted below. Please visit. And I think this is going to be a good feature. One thing that the FeedBurner, Google FeedBurner didn't do was it didn't link specifically to the site. And I do want to open a new window. Click insert there. Below, okay. I'm going to go ahead and this is probably good to keep. It's the copyright information. And then if you want to change any of this, anything that's in those brackets will probably be automated. And then, of course, it's always good to have them the option, leave your audience the option to subscribe or update their preferences. Click on Next. And maybe I shouldn't have deleted that block. Campaign, subject line, great. Tracking HTML. I'm going to click Start RSS, Start Campaign. Okay, so that should be the setup for sending posts via MailChimp from the RSS feed of something posted to your website. It could be the bulletin, it can be something else. If you want to have your audience subscribe to your headlines, you would be a similar process to set that up. Thanks for watching. In a separate video, I'll show you how to put the subscription piece onto your website. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.